Today I have for you one of the coolest things I've ever seen. I love pickles, and I recently found that there are these pickle making kits from White Pine Pickle Company. So the kit I got had 6 different packages with different flavors. So you've got your double dirty dills, New York deli, bread and butter. This one is the Polish dill pickling kit, and then the mustard and dill. I'm going to make something with a mustard and dill kit today, but I already, because it is a 6-pack, you do get 2 of the double dirty dills. And I did these a week ago. So I'm going to try these on camera for the first time. I'm very excited. So in the kit, you're just going to get everything. You get the bag, right? You're going to get a little instructions about each of the flavors that comes with it. And then the instructions are, and they're all very similar, but it's 6 to 8 ounces of vinegar. Kind of stir that around a little bit. And then you put your cucumbers, but I'm actually going to do eggs because I want pickled mustard eggs in here. And then you fill it up to the label with water, seal it, and you need to let it sit in the fridge for at least 3 to 5 days. I'm actually going to let the pickles go a little bit longer just based on some research. And I wanted to actually let these go at least the 5 days, but actually went a week. So I'm super excited to try these. But let's go ahead. The instructions are to cut because they don't want you to accidentally rip or damage the zipper seal at all, because that's what's going to keep everything in. So I have got 8 ounces of vinegar already measured. And I actually tried pickled quail eggs, mustard pickled quail eggs, and they were delicious. And so when I saw that this kit had a mustard and dill, I really wanted to make my own. So we're going to go ahead and let this sit there for a minute before we put the eggs in. But I think we should try these. I put in the little smaller cucumbers that you can get at the store. You don't want to use like the big ones that have the wax coating on them. So either if you're growing them, maybe a farmer's market is probably a more ideal place to buy, just because your regular grocery store tends to put a coating on to keep it fresher. All right, so let's take a smell. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like pickles. So I did halves in here like this, and probably didn't see that. I did halves like this. I also did whole. And then the other thing I stuck in here, which I'll have to get down to, is I did, what do you call it? Cabbage. I did some cabbage in here as well. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to try one of these halves. This looks perfect. Oh, that's outstanding. That is absolutely delicious. Okay. I need to get down here to some cabbage too. Ooh. So let's try a little cabbage. All still good? This brine is outstanding. I could eat all these pickles at one time. Okay. So let's come back to the mustard. And then I'll do a follow-up video on the eggs after these go through. So I've hard-boiled some eggs. Set that down. They're going to slide off. So I've got my mustard ready. Like I said, I've just got the vinegar in there. So now I'm going to go ahead and plop these eggs in carefully. Oh, these are really so good. Okay. So now, see, I've got my eggs in. And like with the cucumbers, I say put in like 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of the vegetables in. We'll do this to the top of the white label. Perfect. Now, this next part I got to do over the sink because when I squeeze this together, I'm likely some stuff is going to come out of there. So one moment. So now I have my eggs are all in here. There we go. There you can see one. But you've got this nice seal up here. So do this over the sink. You know, go to do the seal over the sink. And then as you see, no leak. So we did the double dirty dills is what I tried today. Absolutely amazing. And I still have three other flavors besides the mustard and dill to try. They do give you 2 of the double dirty dills in the package, but I love them. Love them. I'll come back in a few weeks and I'll follow up on the eggs.